Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hi Colorado, this is Clete Crocker from Appliance Factory. I'm your home appliance guy, and I have some good news for you, at least some good information for you. The question now is, July 4th has passed us. When is the next best time to buy appliances? Well, the truth is you can always come in and find an appliance sale. There's always going to be something on sale, and in places like Appliance Factory, we have special closeouts, special buys. You know, that's pretty common. You can come here any time of the year and get that. We also have factory blemish models where there's hardly anything that's cosmetically wrong with it, but you get hundreds of dollars off and you get a full factory warranty. But the real question is, when is the next best time to buy? And what we're talking about is holiday buying. And so the next one is Labor Day. When does Labor Day start? Well, that's not until September, but the promotional dates are actually August the 27th. So you can expect to see some early advanced releases of those promotions the Sunday before. So that is August the 23rd. So my recommendation to you, if you urgently need something, come on in now and get it. But if you really want to wait for the best time, it's going to be from the 23rd after in August. Thank you.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.